How to change date and time on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap on Date and Time. Tap on the date to open a calendar view where you can choose a different month, day, and year. Similarly, you can tap on the time to open a scrolling selector to set a new hour and minute. On the date and time screen, toggle is on by default. Alternatively, tap the toggle switch to enable Set Automatically. This will automatically set its date and time based on your location to ensure accuracy. Following these steps, you can easily change the date and time on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.